To use PubMed Clinical Queries, navigate to the library's homepage, library.utusca.edu, click on Resources, and scroll down until you see PubMed in the tiles at the bottom of the screen. Select PubMed. When you reach the PubMed landing page, you'll scroll down a little bit. Underneath Find, you'll see Clinical Queries. Select Clinical Queries. If you're interested, you can take a look to understand the filters that PubMed is using in order to generate the answers, the results lists to these queries. But what you'll want to do is enter your search terms. So in this case, we're going to be using pediatric chlamydia. And we'll hit search. One of the things that you'll notice is that the systematic reviews filter has been removed and it's an option under article type. So what you'll be getting, and you would have to go here, see all results in PubMed to limit by that particular filter. So you'll be getting randomized control trials and other clinically relevant publications. This is kind of a shorthand way to get those studies. You can move this, you can change the filter category to COVID-19, which will greatly reduce your results. If you leave it on clinical studies, you can change the scope to more narrow. Again, that will reduce results. And you can change your filter from therapy to clinical prediction guidelines, diagnosis, etiology, prognosis, etc. We're going to leave it on therapy for this example. And then you'll just sort of look through and see which one you want. Again, you can click here where it says see all results in PubMed if you want to apply additional filters. So you can apply a year limit, which again is another way to sort of reduce and get quickly to this set of results. You can open up your year limit and apply maybe a randomized control trial limit, and which brings you down to 11. Then you will find your full text article like normal.